Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 3.5 liters water fountain for your pets. This is Mini, by the way. We're gonna make it kind of like work today with her. She was actually using it before. I don't know what she's doing right now, actually, but she was using it last night. We have 4 cats, actually. At least 2 of them use them, and they seem to like that, actually. We have water fountains all over the place in our house, but this one is very special. Why? Because what it does, I'm going to show you that one in a few seconds, is that it actually works with no filters, which I mean, at first you may think that that's not a good thing, but actually it is, because this receptacle over here, this container, actually, Minnie, come on, can you stop doing that? This container right here, what it does is actually dispose all the dirty water, like water with saliva, water with rest of foods, water with whatever thing they have on their mouth. If you have multiple cats, this one disposes that, so that is going to actually work, make it happen to this section is going to be the dirty water right here, and you're going to have all this clean water right here on the water tank. So having this and having no filter could be really beneficial. The other thing is this, you can make it happen so right here it says 3, 4, and 6 hours. So every 3, 4, or 6 hours, that's gonna actually empty the water that they're gonna be using for drinking. And then you can make it happen every kind of like, not the amount of hours, but the amount of kind of like water that they have over here. For example, 80 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 120 milliliters. But I don't know what's going on here, but it seems that she likes to, besides drinking water, rubbing her hair. Come on, you can't do this all alone. So this is how this is gonna work. So you have right here, by the way, this one comes with a cable that you can just unplug if you want. And this thing works just with the battery. So that is actually really good because you can keep moving it from room to room, for example, if you need, but it is rechargeable and also works in any place that you have a USB-C cable and USB-C port. But for example, this one right here, let's actually make it work right here. We're gonna turn it on. It was turned off. So we're gonna turn it on right away. So check this out. Every 3, 6, or 4 hours, this is what's going to happen. This one right here, you see it's emptying the actual water, like the container right here, which is like water that they've been drinking and recycling with their mouth and their saliva and all that. And it's gonna provide new water, like clean water from this tank over here. And again, the amount of water will depend on how much water you put, like 80, 100, or 120 milliliters. So that is actually really good to have right here. And again, every 3, 4, or 6 hours, this is how it's gonna go. And it's gonna just empty all that, and then you will have this section right here, this container where all the water that you don't want to use, you don't want to recycle the water, you're just gonna drop it, you're gonna trash the water, you're gonna waste that water, and that's gonna be it. Of course, you can always use this just to put the water in. You don't have to move the entire thing. You can come with a jar or something right here and just kind of like put the water right there. I do like this one, besides not coming with the actual filter. 3.5 liters, you have everything right here manageable with the touch buttons, and of course the rechargeable factor. I think it's also really, really good. I like it. She likes it. It seems she likes it. So I'm gonna recommend it with a thumbs up.